Hi, I'm Noble Black with Douglas Elliman, and welcome to the Penthouse at the Mayfair, 610 Park Avenue. This apartment is almost 8,000 square feet, over 3 floors, with a 1,400 square foot terrace and amazing views. I'm really excited to give you a tour today. Upon entering the home, you're greeted by this gracious entry foyer. This is the perfect place to wow your guests with an impressive art collection. And this is just a preview of things to come. Follow me. So as I mentioned, this is a triplex apartment, and it's got a very logical layout. Downstairs, you have all of the private bedrooms. This main level is built for fabulous entertainment, and then the top third floor is great for outdoor relaxation. One thing that's really great about this home are the proportions of the rooms. They're really large, and the light all around is fabulous. And here we are in the corner great room with adjacent library, wood-burning fireplace, and great views over the Upper East Side. In fact, this room is so large you have 3 distinct seating areas for your guests. And if you need to get some work done, this library is the perfect place to draft that email or take that call. It has beautiful light, custom wraparound built-ins, and even pocket doors for privacy. And just off the great room is a well-appointed wet bar with its own sneak peek of Central Park. Even the transitional spaces here are well appointed, with the beautiful Venetian plaster reflecting light from north and south, two-tone marble floor, structural staircase, and plenty of wall space for large-scale art pieces. This dining room has beautiful trade ceilings, corner exposure, and wood-paneled walls with a sunburst veneer. And just imagine throwing a killer dinner party with these wraparound views. Ease and functionality are the names of the game in this kitchen, which is bigger than most New York City apartments. It has everything you could need or want to prep for that big dinner party. And for more casual meals, just slide right into this comfortable breakfast nook. And when you're ready for dessert and a little more relaxation, I've got the perfect place to show you. Follow me. And located on the top floor of this palatial penthouse is this 17th floor sunroom. It opens up seamlessly to a 1,400 square foot private oasis, surrounded by lush landscaping and unstoppable views of the Upper East Side. And this is the perfect place to end this tour. Thanks so much for joining.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.